Hello guys, welcome back to another video about Bittorrent token. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the price prediction of the BTT token. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos. Now guys, the latest price of the BTT in the market is 0.004435 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Bittorrent token. Furthermore guys, if we talk about the changes of the BTT token, so now the last 1 hour chain is negative, last 1 day chain is positive, and last 1 week chain is also negative. I mean guys that the price is completely decreased. So guys, I know it is a bad time of the BTT token, but guys, you know what, they also taken a quick jump. That's why now here the latest situation of is negative. You can see this time the price pump, but here they start falls down. But guys, no, every coin falls down, every coin jumps. That's not mean then you decide to sell when the price decrease. You have to hold for a long time. If you hold for a long time, so possibilities guys that in the future the price will again pump. And guys, I also told you that it's the last of month, higher possibilities that the price take a quick jump. So please hold to the last of August. We can't say about the future, maybe it's the last the price take a quick jump. Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.